In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add hyperlinks to your Outlook emails. This is a great way to make your messages more dynamic, informative, and professional. First, log into your Microsoft Outlook account. Open your web browser, go to the Outlook website, and click the Sign In button. Enter your email and password, then click Next to access your dashboard. Once you're signed in, start a new email by clicking the New Email button. This opens a blank email template where you can draft your message. Write your email as usual, and when you're ready to add a hyperlink, highlight the text you want to link. Next, look for the link icon on the formatting toolbar. It looks like a small chain. Click it, and a pop-up window will appear where you can enter the web address or URL you want to attach. Make sure the URL is correct to avoid broken links. After entering the link, confirm your input, and your hyperlink is now active in your email. It's that simple. This feature makes your emails more interactive and professional, whether you're sending a quick note or a detailed newsletter. And that's it. With a little practice, you'll be adding hyperlinks like a pro in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Outlook tutorials.